Hold on.
No, like, whether you put it on your skin and that.
No, let me go around this way.
You want to get back? I can't hit
It's 5 on you. I'm sure fucking it's not.
Are you recording?
You
ain't. Are you recording yet?
I'm gonna hold it on.
Start recording. Alright, yeah. Right, this one is going to start recording. Look.
This time, all I'm gonna introduce myself as I'm Philip.
No, you need to explain what's happening. Yeah. And then I'll introduce what's happening.
Right, yeah. Come on then.
Right, don't do it until I say, come on.
I'm fucking off.
Are you recording yet?
Yeah.
I'm get this. Go on, he's recording. Oi, he's recording.
Hi, I'm Phil himself, and I'm a
Wade Damon, and this is driving a 332 drill bit through the web of his thumb. Look, that's his skin. Hold up, let Carl get a close up.
Move your fingers.
Get 332 drill bit.
Right, if you
Don't squeal. That is crazy.
Come out of the side.
Carl. Look, pick the book up.
Now on me.
Look at that. Hold up, let Carl get a good picture. Wait.
No.
Don't put out.
Oh my
No, I
God. That is easy.
Well, that's checking the book, and it's checking the drill bit.
That is through his skin.
How good is that?
How do you feel? It don't hurt half as bad as fucking.
Yeah, but how are you getting that off?
No idea.
Right. Let's put it out.
Yeah.
Wait.
Pulling it out.
It's pulling out.
This one hurt loads more.
Can't grab it. It's going to bleed. Go pliers.
Got it quiet.
Wiggle it.
Oh. No, don't wiggle it.
It's solid in the book.
It's going to bleed straight away. Let me run tap.
So, do you want to get close up?
Oh, book down. You ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Look, there's blood coming out of the
Put
side.
it all in one book. What, in there? Yeah, it's chuck it in. And tired.
Alright, am I?
This is filthy now. I'm in.
Look at bubbles coming out.
Go, that goes on the floor. Get it covered.
Oh, is that good?
No. That's air in your skin.
Has anybody got anything to say about this?
I'm glad.
Wicked. Oh, I'm asking